guys, welcome to Hook-a-Bug. Today I'm going to teach you how to make these really cute Christmas boxes. They only take about 5 minutes to make per box, so they're super quick. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's get started. So to start, you will need a hot glue gun, a pair of scissors, wire ribbon, and plain boxes like these that I got at Michael's. Glue the ribbon onto the box, going down the center and wrapping the ends under the lid. Glue another ribbon across the top, wrapping one end under the back and the other under the front lid. You should be able to open and close the box when you're done. Create a bow and glue it on, and you're ready to fill your box with goodies. Thanks so much for making this little box with me, and I hope you enjoyed making it as much as I did. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.